if no, you maybe in the next time, you have a scholarship maybe in other country. In example, that country not agree with Islam maybe. Maybe I in example Sydney maybe. Okay. Yes. What do you want to say about your friend in your class or your college on your campus? What do you say? What do you want to explain about the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? If your friend is not Muslim, what do you want to explain for her for they? Uh, if you explain like seperti tadi like that gitu, it is very successful Muslim for remember me about the Prophet. And if you berhadapan
Face to face.
face to face in non Muslim, what do you want to say about it?
So, thank you very much for the question. If I begin Islam, ever face that kind of experience, I will try to find out the character of the person, find out the character of the person,
Find out.
whether he is open-minded or
Open-minded.
open-minded.
Oh, mind. Okay.
Open-minded or narrow-minded should be, so that if he is open-minded and want to know about the truth,
Yes.
so I can tell some of the most high quality virtues of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which is the character, the miracles, and the messages of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to that person in a slow and clear manner, so that he will not be confused.
Step by step.
Step by step and slowly and clearly, so that he will not be confused, and I will also, if I cannot explain it in detail, I will show reference to biography, a book that he or she can read. You can read this book because it's explain about the more in detail about the Prophet ﷺ, so that if you want to know more, you can also face to face with me.
Discuss.
This discussion about Prophet ﷺ and Islam, and also you can ask me the true statement about Islam, not from Google or
Not how
YouTube, but because most of the